Can you tell me where? In which part?
In A part.
A part. So you find A part error. Okay. Recommended for the position also right. This is also right. Did not fulfill. Okay, right.
Mhm.
The prescribed qualification. Okay. Which word you have error?
Which should be replaced with
There.
who.
Who? Clear? Who?
Yes.
Actually, uh,
Which is for things.
yeah, it relates to the person. So who is the right? A is the correct answer. Next one. He has lost all what I gave him. Tell, think it over and tell me the answer. Just now we have gone through the rule. We have
Yes.
gone through the rule.
Part B.
Part B.
Yes.
He has lost, right? All what I gave him. Okay, right. Part B. Which word has error?
What
What? What should be then instead of what? Which word should be there?
which I gave him. Which you gave him.
I have told you relative pronouns, isn't it? I have told you. I have told
Huh.
you pronouns. Okay. Who, for, persons, right?
Yes.
For, things, right? And another relative pronoun is that. What is that? That.
That.
Yeah, it is
अच्छा
for
यहाँ पे that
persons
होगा.
and things. We have gone through.
All that, yes. All that I gave him.
Always remember all is followed by that.
That.
Whenever you find all should be followed by that. That is the answer. Okay. B part has an error. Next one. Swati has such a fine memory that she can recollect anything. What happened many years ago? Think it over. See each individual part of the sentence and go through. You'll get the answer.
Part C.
Part C.
C.
Recollect anything what? Okay. Swati has such a fine memory. That also is there here. Here also one that is there. No, why? Here also that is there. Here what is there? Can you tell me why? So many times.
Here that what C can. C is given.
Here in this sentence, it is given such. Always
Such.
remember, such is followed by that. This is another expression. Such that.
Such that.
She
Such
was
that.
actually we have gone through the sentence in the previous class. Ah, he was
Hmm.
such a wonderful man that no he actually
Yes, yes.
all accolade, isn't it? So such
Huh.
Swati has such a fine memory that she can recollect. Okay, anything, recollect anything. What
Anything
happened?
that.
Yeah, what should be then that? Here,
That.
that should be there. Anything that because anything follows that. Always anything, all follows that. Okay. So C part has error. Clear? Next one.
Yes.
Next. Fear is one of those emotions which frequently roots us to inaction.
Mhm.
to inaction. Think it over, you'll get it. Can you tell me which part has an error?
C part.
C part. Okay, C part. Fear is one of those emotions. Can you tell me why I wrote here one of the boys? Always one of the is followed by plural. We can't say one of the boy. Suppose in the class there are many boys. One of the boys come here means only one boy should come here,
One.
right? There are so many boys. Particularly, we are talking about only one boy. So one of those emotions, plural. Okay, one of those emotions. It's right.
But your ball will be, ball should be singular.
Yeah, see, one of those emotions, right? Which frequently roots us. Which
Roots.
has an error? Which one? Which is correct only because it is relative pronoun. Which is
Oh,
for things, okay, emotions. It's right. But what else you find there?
rooters.
Roots us, yes, clear, correct. Can you tell me what is the right one?
Root means only rooters.
Yeah, root. Roots is singular, no?
Hmm.
Is singular verb. Is singular verb. Whereas root is plural
Root
verb,
is plural.
right? So root will come here. Root. So C part in action. So C part has an error. So C part. Okay, clear. Next one. The book, although written in bad English, makes a few interesting observations which needs to be highlighted. This also you can tell. Carefully go through the sentence. The book. The book. It's telling about the book. Although written in bad English, it's written in bad
Hmm.
English. Hmm. Makes a few interesting observations. So it is particular about that book, which needs to be highlighted. So it should be given a most, what to say, you have to give much importance to that. For what?
Hmm.
Interesting observations. Okay. Think it over.
Correct, Labhan. And
Which part has an error?
few, a few and few differences. A few means very little.
Correct. That's correct. I'll makes a few, little bit. Interesting observations which needs to be highlighted. Same like the previous one. Same. This question is there, no? In the same way, this also. I have given you hint.
Which need to be.
Yeah, correct. The book, although written in bad English, makes few interesting observations. Okay, which is related to observations, plural.
Information.
Needs is singular, no? Singular.
Hmm.
So plural verb should be need. So this part has an error. So answer is D. Clear? Next one.
Yes.
This is the only one of his poems. This is the only one of his poems that is worth reading. Find the error part.
Only one.
This is the only one, correct only, no? This is the only book. This is the only one. We can say one of
That are worth reading.
I have told you here, one of the boys, one of
Oh,
poems, one of his poems. Okay, only one of his poems. Boys, plural. So poems, correct only. The only one of his poems that is
that are worth reading.
worth reading. No error. Sentence is right.
No error.
Yeah,
Okay.
no error. E. Answer is E. Okay, no error. This is the only one. This is the only one of his poems that is worth reading. Valuable. Okay. Next. Everyone must sign their full name before entering the hall. Where do you find the error?
Before entering to the hall, is it right?
Yeah, it's right.
Everyone must.
Yeah, it's right. Before entering the hall, before entering the room, it's right only. Everyone, see, remember, we have gone through the rules. Everyone, indefinite pronoun, indefinite pronoun, everyone. What is the rule over there? Which part has an error?
B part.
Yeah, B. Okay. Everyone is right. Okay. Must sign their full name. Which word has an error?
There is correct.
There is correct. Everyone
Mm.
there.
Must send
Right.
full name.
Is it right? Indefinite pronouns always follows singular pronoun. No. Everyone must sign his full name. This is wrong.
But
They,
his will come.
yeah, his. Everyone is always should follow singular. Singular. Okay, his.
Mm.
Their verb, plural also, pronoun also like that only. His, not their. Everyone is singular, no?
Mm.
Cannot use their, it is plural. So his is right. Clear? Already
Okay.
we have gone through the different pronouns, everyone, each, all should follow singular verb.
Singular form. In singular pronouns.
Yes, everyone. You will come to my party tomorrow, isn't it? Which part has an error? You will come tomorrow.
He will come to.
Correct only, no? You will come. Future tense, tomorrow. Future tense.
Mm.
Yeah, which part has an error?
C part only.
Yeah, C part.
First one, two is
Yes, C part.
correct.
But what is the answer?
Um,
What do we call this? What do we call this? Isn't it? Here, you will come to my party tomorrow is positive statement, isn't it?
um,
Positive statement. But we have a negative question tag, isn't it? Isn't it is not.
yes. Mm.
Is not. Is not is negative, isn't it? But also
Yes.
we have to use short form. Isn't it?
Hmm.
Okay. So this is question tag. At the end of the statement, we use question tag. There is a rule that
Yes, no
positive
question tag.
statement, for positive statement, we use negative question tag. Okay. But is it right? Actually, this question tags should follow according to
Verb, subject.
the auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, okay.
Hmm.
You can, for example, I say you can swim. You can swim. What type of sentence it is? What
Can we?
positive statement. Okay.
This
Not
is yes.
is not there, no? So it is positive. Always remember for positive statement, we use question negative question tag. So what we write here?
Thank you.
Can't you? Yes. Can't you? Yeah. Can. This auxiliary verb only we have to use here. Can't you? Okay.
Hmm.
Suppose I'll write in negative way, negative statement. You can't swim. Okay. You
Okay,
can't
so
swim. Okay. You can't swim. Negative statement. Because can't means cannot. Okay.
cannot. Yes.
What is the question tag here? When it is negative
Your
statement,
question
we
tag
have to
will
use
be,
positive question tag, isn't it? What is the answer?
can we?
Can you?
Can
Yes.
you?
Can you?
Yes.
In the same way, tell me this answer also. You will come to my party tomorrow, isn't it?
Won't.
What is the verb over here? Will come. Come is verb. This is auxiliary verb, isn't it? Auxiliary verb, will. In the same way, you told you can't swim. Can you? You can swim, can't. So the same auxiliary verb is used in question tag. In the same way, you have to use this also. Tell me this part. Will is
Will,
auxiliary verb. So how will
will the
huh? We
will the won't
always
listen.
question tags should be in contracted form. It should be in short form only. We cannot say is not it.
Yes.
We cannot say cannot you. Never we have
Hmm.
to use the question tag like that. We have to use contracted form.
So won't you will
This is
come?
correct.
Won't you?
You won't you won't you clear will won't you okay. So this
From
is
that verb only we have to.
yes, from auxiliary verb only we have to write question tag. Clear? That is
Yes.
for positive statement, negative question tag. For negative statement, positive question tag. And we have to follow the auxiliary verb which is used in the statement. Clear? Next one. He, she, I, and they cook the food. Already we have gone through the rule. Just now,
Hmm.
just think it over and the answer.
2, 3, 1. Sorry, 2, 1, 2. 1, 3.
Tell me, he, she, I, and they cook the food. It is for good reason or bad reason? You have to
This is for
identify.
good reason.
Yes, good reason. Good reason, isn't it? For good reason, what
Yes.
is the order of pronouns, person,
Order was 2, 3, 1.
two, three, one. So here we find only third person. Only third person is there. Here also third person is there. Only first person is there. So we find here third person and first person only. Clear? We don't have
Ah,
second person. So
second person.
we have to see this only. When second person is not there, we have to go through third person and first person only. First third person, then first person. Clear? Then how will you write?
First, third.
First third person, this is right. He, she, okay. In this sentence, I and they is given. I and they. Is it
Name the.
first person and third person is given? Is it right? Wrong, no? This is wrong. What is the order?
3 and 1. They and I.
And I, yes, third person. They and
You
I.
see?
Here. They and I. This because second person is not there. What is left over? Only third person, first person is left over. That should be in the order.
Remaining should
Third,
be in arranged. Okay.
yeah, it should be arranged in order. Third person and first person only. Okay, for good reason. Clear?
Yes.
So
Yes.
find error in B part. Okay. He, she,
Yes.
they, and I. I should be last because for good reason. Go to the next slide. Okay. Next one. Whom do you want to invite to your party besides Mr. Rao and I? Which part has an error?
Mr. Rao and me.
Yes.
And,
Why? What is the reason? D part has an error. Whom do you want to invite to your party besides? What do you mean by besides? What is the difference between beside and besides? What is the difference? Can you tell me? Besides means in additional. Okay. Beside, he's sitting beside me means he's sitting next to me. Okay, he's sitting next to me.
yes.
Okay, actually, he's sitting beside me. So that is beside. Besides means in additional. Okay. So always after besides, your objective should be followed me, not I. Okay. Who do you want to invite to your party besides Mr. Rao and me?
Object,
The girl,
objective pronoun.
yes. Both the girls helped one another when both of them were in difficulty. This also we have gone through.
Uh, Both the girls. Here, two girls is there, so uh, each other will come.
Yes.
One another
Both means
come more than two.
Means two girls, okay, clear. Helped one another. One another is used for more than two, isn't it?
More than two.
Each other
Yes.
is used for only two persons.
Only two. Only two and two.
Other. Okay.
And
Both the girls helped each other when both of them were in difficulty. Clear. So this part has an error. B part has an error. Now next one. The two men were were quarreling with one another, claiming the same watch as their own. The two men were quarreling with one another, claiming the same watch as their own. Which part has an error?
same type. Two.
Two, okay. Second part has. Can you tell me why? What should be there then? One another is wrong. Okay.
Is wrong. Each other will
Each other. Why each other?
come. As the
Two
two
men.
men were there.
Yeah. Two are there. Two persons. Two persons we use each other. So second part has an error. Okay, clear. Next one. Myself and Roshini will take care of the event on Sunday. Think it over.